How to transfer Bitcoin from Cash App. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to App Hacks. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can transfer Bitcoin from Cash App. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step is open up your Cash App. After you're on your Cash App, simply open up your Bitcoin and you should be on this page right here. After you're here, what you can do is you can tap on the send button. You will see the send button right besides sell. Tap on it and you'll get two options. One is to send Bitcoin, the other is to receive. Tap on send, and after you tap on send, you will be able to type in the amount of Bitcoin that you want to send. So simply type in the amount of Bitcoin that you want to send, and on the top you will see how much Bitcoin is available right now. So simply type that in. After you do that, you'll need to simply type in the address where you want to send your Bitcoin. So there you can type in the name, you can type in the cash tag, the BTC address, whatever you want. After you type that in, you can select the person or select the address. Simply tap on select, and after you do that, tap on next on the top right. After that, select a priority. Now, if you select priority, it arrives in 10 minutes. If it's in rush, it arrives in 2 hours. And if it's a standard transfer, it will just take about 24 hours, which is free. So after that, tap on next, and yeah, you're basically done. You have initiated the withdrawal, and that's how you transfer Bitcoin from Cash App. Thanks for watching guys. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.